In this video, we will see how to create a set. So creating a set. So how to create a set. So how, if I want, we can create set using parenthesis and passing comma separated value, and also using set function. So first, we want, we just want what we want. We want to create empty set, empty set. Remember, skip this, ignore this error. Actually, I have to mark down this. Okay. Now we want to create an empty set. So how we can create? So we know that we can create the set using empty uh, curly braces. So just we created what we created? We created a empty set. So is it really a set? Check this type of as. No, it is saying this is dictionary. So we cannot create a set using dictionary because when we create a data structure using curly braces and we did not pass any value, then Python automatically consider that it is dictionary. You are defining dictionary, not set. So that's why we cannot create empty dictionary. So how we can create empty dictionary if I want this? So for this, we can use set function. So set function, by using set function we can create. We are not passing any values. So this is empty dictionary. Like here you can see set is empty. So how empty set is represented? Like this. Empty set represented by this, like this. So let's check type of as now it is set. So now create non-empty set, non-empty set. So just pass the value as is equal to, pass the comma separated value in parent. What is this? It is curly braces 1 2 3 comma 1 comma 2. So now check s is 1 2 3. So now you can see it is not representing empty set as a empty curly braces. It is represent, but in non-empty set it is representing the set using curly braces. So you have to remember that whenever you create a empty set, you cannot create with curly braces. Use set function. So how to create a non-empty dictionary using set function? So like this, and just pass 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 2. Now let's see. So it is saying that it is expecting one argument and got 3. Yeah, so you can see 1 2 and 3. So actually we have to pass an iterable, and using this iterable it will create a set using its iterables element. So here I am passing tuple iterable. So now it will create or not. Let's see. Now it is creating. What is s? S should be 1 comma 2. So this is how we create set in Python. In next video we will see, can we iterate through set or not. So the answer is yes, we can iterate, but there will be a catch. So we will see in next video that what what is the catch. Iterating is the catch iterating through a set in Python. So see you in next video.